Think you need a lot of money to start budgeting? Think again. Most people wait until they're making more money to start managing it, when really, the habit of budgeting is what helps you get there. Today, I'm breaking down how to budget your money even if you're broke. Hey, welcome to Finance in 15 Minutes, the channel where we make money simple and real. And if you've ever looked at your bank account and thought, where did all my money go? You're in the right place. Let's dive into budgeting that actually works, even on low income. Here's the thing. Most people don't budget because they think they don't have enough to manage. But that's like saying you don't need to plan a trip because your car only has a quarter tank of gas. You especially need to plan when resources are tight. Budgeting gives you control, and control gives you options. Whether you make $20,000 or $2,000 a week, knowing where your money goes is the first step of building financial freedom. Before you can budget, you need to know two things: what you earn and what you spend. This is where most people mess up. They guess. Don't guess, track it. Start by writing down every source of income, even if it's small: part-time jobs, gifts, side hustles. Then list all your expenses: rent, phone, food, subscriptions, even those $5 snacks at work or school. Something that you could think about is, let's say rent is $400, groceries is $200, Netflix is $15, snacks are $30, so in total, $645. For your first month, just track, don't change anything. Just observe. You can use apps like Mint or Notion or a piece of paper. Doesn't matter. What matters is knowing. Step 2. Use a budgeting method. Now that you know where your money is going, it's time to give it a job. There are a few methods you can use, but let me show you the easiest. It's called the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to what you need, things you have to pay for like rent, food, and transport. 30% should be going towards investing, obviously like stocks and that sort of stuff, or savings / paying off debt. Then 20% should be going towards wants, eating out, new clothes, or fun. Most people will do 30% wants and 20% of saving or paying off debts. I don't like to do that. That gives you too much room for error. Now, if you're broke, that might look different. You might need to go for 80-10-10 or even 95-5. That's fine. The key is intentionality. Step 3. Cut the noise. If your budget's tight, you'll need to make cuts. I'm not saying never have fun. I'm saying be smart about it. Do you really use all 4 streaming services? Are you buying food when you have stuff at home? Start by cutting small, easy things. That's $8.99 a month you forgot about. Cancel it. Those 15 Uber rides, can you walk or take a bus instead? Remember, every dollar you save is a dollar you control. The goal isn't to be perfect. The goal is to make better decisions. Step 4. Build better habits. Budgeting isn't a one-time thing. It's a habit. It's brushing your financial teeth. So how do you build that habit? Start small and start consistent. Set a weekly check-in with yourself. Sundays, 10 minutes. Ask, did I stick to my plans? Where did I go over? What can I change? Also, automate what you can. Set up automatic transfers, even if it's just $5 a week into savings. That builds momentum. Okay, let's wrap it up now. Here's what we covered today. Know your numbers. Pick a method. Start with the 50-30-20 rule. Cut the noise. Ditch what you don't use and build the habit. Track weekly. Automate savings. Even if you're broke, you can budget. And budgeting is the first step to not being broke anymore. If this video helped you, do me a favor, hit that like button. It tells YouTube you like this kind of content. And drop a comment below. What's one thing you're cutting from your budget starting today? Subscribe for real life finance tips in 15 minutes or less. I've got videos coming up on saving, investing, credit, and all the stuff they should have taught you in school.